I remember when a judge yelled at me during the course of trial when I referred to a sled as a pie dish instead of a flying saucer. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from the American Association of Justice Conference here in Baltimore, and I wanted to share this great information with you. So now I was trying a sledding accident case, and now I was defending the people who were being sued. It was actually the resort. An injured victim was up on a hill. He took a flying saucer, which was nothing more than a pie dish, like a pizza pie pan, and got on it and went down a hill. And what do you think happened? The thing started to spin. Now this guy was about 6 feet tall, he's about 180 pounds, and now as this thing is going downhill, where by the way, he had never been there before, all of a sudden this thing starts to spin around. And as he's gaining speed, he's heading towards the bottom, going backwards. And now he hits something at the very base of the bottom and goes flying off, fractures his tailbone. So he brought a lawsuit against the resort. And at that time, early in my career, I was doing defense work, representing people who were being sued in these types of accident cases. What was remarkable is that I tried to bring in one of these pie dishes, which really is nothing more than a kid's flying saucer. Every time I started to refer to this as a pie dish, the plaintiff's attorney, the attorney who represented the injured victim, would object. "Judge, I object. He can't do that." The judge would start yelling at me, "Mr. Oginski, you can't do that." But the point was, I needed to get the jury to recognize and to understand what this thing really was. This was not a toy. This was a little piece of plastic that this guy went down on. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in the litigation process in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own accident matter. Well, if your accident matter happened in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207, or you can reach me by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.